Hey everyone, this is our birds chirping car horn. This is our button version. It comes with a button which is included. Really easy, simple process to hook up. Your black wire go to a ground somewhere. It could be your battery or just anywhere you got a good ground source. Your red wire coming from your horn will go to a 12-volt power source. It could be a battery, a fuse, just anywhere you got a good 12-volt power source. Then your yellow wire coming from your horn will go to one side of the button, which is included. And then you simply just run another hot wire, another 12-volt wire to that side of the button, and you're good to go. Now we got this horn facing down. It's pretty loud and we don't want to hurt our ears here. So this is our birds chirping button version car horn.